Hi guys, Mr. Lee's here doing the SQA higher paper from 2024, paper 1, and we're doing question 13, and we're doing 13a at the moment, where we have to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of PQ, where P is 410 and Q is 6,2. So let's get on with that there. So to get the perpendicular bisector, we need to get a couple of things first. Okay, now just zoom it in so you can see the whole thing. Right, so we need to get the centre of PQ. So we do 4 add 6 and half it. And for the y coordinate, we do 10 add 2 and half it. 4 add 6 is 10, half it, you get 5. 10 and 2 is 12, half it, you get 2. So the midpoint of PQ is 5, 6. So the gradient of PQ, we now need the gradient. So it's 2 take 10 over 6 take 4. 2 take 10 is minus 8. 6 take 4 is 2. Minus 8 over 2 is minus 4. So the gradient of PQ is minus 4. So the gradient of the perpendicular has to be a quarter, because that's a number that if you do minus 4 times a quarter, you get minus 1. So we want to get the equation of a line with a gradient of a quarter going through the 5, 6 that we got up there at the centre. So y minus b is mx minus 8. Y minus 6 is a quarter times x minus 5. Nobody likes fractions, so let's get rid of this. So we'll multiply that by 4. 4y take 24. Then we multiply through by 1. And of course 1 doesn't do anything to the x take 5. Then we have it there. Let's tidy it up just a little bit. So we'll move the x over. Minus x, move the minus 24 over, plus 24 there. So 4y take x is minus 5 plus 24, which gives you 19. And that's part A done. So, in order to help myself for part B, I've drawn a few things on it there. And part B is we have to find the equation of a circle. So P, Q, and R are the points on a circle. And we have to get the equation of the circle. Okay, so I hope you know the fact that the centre of a circle is where the perpendicular bisector of PQ meets the perpendicular bisector of QR. So we need to get the equation of the perpendicular bisector of QR first, then we'll see where they meet. Obviously, giving things away there, but let's do the maths to back that up. Okay, so here we go here. So that's just me reiterating what I said a wee second ago. So the midpoint of QR is 6 plus 12 over 2, which is 18 over 2, which is 9. Then we have 2 plus 2, which is 4 over 2 is 2. So the midpoint of QR is 9, 2. So if I just go back to the diagram, just to explain, there we have it there. So we have the midpoint of QR, which is 9, 2. And then it says QR is horizontal. You can see that up there. QR is horizontal. That means the perpendicular bisector there is vertical. And what's the equation of a vertical line going through 9, 2? It is x equals 9. So we want to find where x equals 9 crosses. 4y take x is 19. So let's go back to the maths there. And there we have it there. So we're going to solve x equals 9 with 4y take x is 19. Okay, well we already know x, so we can just put x at 9 where x is there. So 4y take 9 is 19, put the 9 over, 19 add 9 is 28, so y is 7. So the centre of the circle is 9, 7, as you will have noticed on the diagram there. There is 9, 7. Now, the last thing we need, so we've got the centre of the circle, we now need the radius. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get the vector that takes you from 6, 2 to 9, 7 and get the length of it, and that will be the radius of the circle. So here we go, the vector from 6, 2 to 9, 7. 6 to 9 is a jump of 3, 2 to 7 is a jump of 5, or you can do 9 take 6 to get your 3, 7 take 2 to get your 5, if that's how you do it. Okay, length of the vector is you square them, add them, root them. 3 squared plus 5 squared ends up being 34. So the radius of the circle is the square root of 34. So What do we want? We want a circle. The equation of a circle at centre 9, 7 going through root 34. So we're going to use from the formula sheet that x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is r squared. So there's your a, so it's x minus 9 squared plus y minus 7 squared is, and root 34 squared, of course, is just 34. And that's it there.